Good morning. It is Saturday, April 13th, and we are off the coast of Dunkirk on the way to Bruges. We don't dock in Bruges until noon, and then they bus us to the city, the old part of the city. No automobile traffic is allowed inside Bruges, and we have a big whopping 2.5 hours there, which is definitely not enough time. I will tell you that in advance. How about some shout-outs? Jojo, Leonard, Amy, and Chris. And thanks everyone else for all your views. All excursions today departed between 12:15 and 12:30. 600 and some passengers will disembark at the same time. Look at the lineup of buses for today. Crazy, crazy. Emergency contact number in case we get lost.
Yeah, you're right.
A little map is sitting on the seat for everybody. The Basilica of the Holy Blood. "500 types of beer. Waffle on a stick. Everything's chocolate in Brussels, and that's because they have very exacting standards about their chocolate. It has to be completely from the cocoa bean or cacao with nothing added to it, so it's very, very pure. Yeah, chocolate. That is chocolate nail polish. We are so lucky with the weather today. Gorgeous city. We've just barely touched on it so far. We're very short of time though. We only have 2.5 hours, not even 2.5, 2. Hi. The best Belgian chocolates. Chocoholic. I love the tins, beautiful tins. Beautiful. The tin has 12 chocolates. Beautiful, beautiful. Watch every step on this. This is one of their very many shopping streets. The main square.
You like waffles? I still need a duck. My cousin in Canada had a dachshund.
This is
No,
the
that's fine.
Stag
Just have it checked. Just show the QR code upstairs and scan it. And there's a second part of this.
This is Church of the Blood. Now the reason it's called that is supposedly a drop of Jesus's blood was on some clothing, and it is interred here. The holy blood has to be up there. Can you imagine you're dropped down in this absolutely gorgeous city and you have 2 hours? Newhouse is my favorite. Chocolatier since 1857. They're Belgium. They me boxes of chocolate on my flight to West Africa. Well, Merle and I, by asking 90 million people who all turned us in the wrong directions, with my excellent Danielle Bounette map reading skills, we got back to this meeting square. 14th century ammunition tower.